Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Coinbase price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and let's take a look on the weekly here for the overview. Between bullish and bearish scenario, we have potentially a W, X and a Y, where we have of course potentially even W here can be or X can be here. It's the same scenario. It doesn't matter, sorry. We have of course three waves toward the downside, and we of course are looking here for potential ABC back. As an A, B, and a C, your wave C is the impulse here. Your wave 4 did not interfere with zone 1, meaning of course perfect impulse as A, B, and a C. Now it can be of course as potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well can be possible for an impulse here toward the upside. In this case scenario, of course, it can be we have to check, of course, inside this area if this is very possible to be an impulsive wave here. But yeah, basically it can be where we have found the psychology here, as you can see, and potentially that we can, of course, finish here one more impulse toward the upside. So we can mark this, by the way, as a wave 1 as well, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In this case scenario, we are looking potentially for a 1, 2, or even a bigger wave A. This A can be also here. Yeah? In case that we finish a wave C here, also it can be an X, finishing even 3 waves down and then continuation toward the upside. So as you might see, of course, there are multiple scenarios here that it might unfold. Now, in case we have this 1, 2 as well, it can be as well here in confluence. For the target for a wave 2, the perfect target are of course the 0.618 and 0.786, right? But minimum target is a 0.38, which is perfectly in confluence as well with this area, which it might be also our target for an expanding flat here and then continuation for higher. Meaning in this area is in confluence, of course, with the 0.38, 0.5 for a wave 2. And potentially, of course, that we have to estimate a move for higher here again for Coinbase. Now, if we are in impulsive here anyway, and we're looking for an ABC, because you are looking, of course, for 3 corrective waves now, definitely this wave is getting longer, and potentially this is an impulse, giving the scenario of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 definitely. We still need a 4 and a 5 to finish definitely inside this area, of course. In case we are, of course, in a wave C here, we're gonna finish it. In case you are in 1, 2 toward the downside, or A, B as a zigzag here, you are going to have a rebound as well toward the upside. Meaning in this area, we might face, of course, a confluence and finish a structure. And in both case scenario, in the bullish scenario, you would like to continue from here. In the bearish scenario, you might get 3 waves up and then continuation for a new wave C and then moving up from there. So these are potentially the scenarios that we might have, of course, for the Coinbase. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper inside it on the 4-hour chart, we can see that this scenario, of course, is still unfolding right now as a wave C. We have 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5. Here we go. So in this case, your wave 4 is still needs some time. As you can see, the perfect time required for this area still not reached yet. I mean, we're very close, but we still need to move higher. As you can see, some green has started to show up there. So potentially we might have something corrective A, B, and a C somehow like this, and then start to, of course, move continuously again for a wave 5 here to finish this impulse, and finishing with it, of course, a wave C for an A, B, and a C. Meaning we have potentially A, B, and a C, or even in a bigger scenario, you have a big wave 1, 2 here, right? You have a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, of course, to be watched. So this zone is our blue zone, of course, here that we would like to reach on the 4-hour chart as well. Yep, so that was it for Coinbase. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.